This is in respond sa mga taong umaatake sa Islam nga reliyon. They are quoting the Quran out of context, and then pumapatay, patayin ito, ganito, patay, patayan. Without the context, without knowing the background why such a verse nandyan sa Quran. So in respond, I will quote also. This is 1 Samuel chapter 15 verse 3 from the King James Version. I will quote. Now go and smite Amalek and utterly destroy all that they have, and spare them not, but slay both man and woman, infant and suckling, ox and sheep, camel and ass, donkeys. Suckling, yung nagsususong bata, ipapatay. Grabe si Kristo. Jesus Christ, maawa ka naman. Pati hayop, Jesus Christ, pinapapatay mo. Kung totoo ito, aminin ninyo. Kung ayaw nyo maniwala, you deny it. Okay? Si Kristo, di ba si Kristo mula sa simula ay nandoon na, utos ito ni Kristo, suckling. Dito naman sa Numbers 31 verse 17 to 18, sinasabi dito, so now kill every boy and kill every woman who has had sexual intercourse. Sinasabi dito, but keep alive for yourselves all the girls and all the women who are virgins. Paano malaman, virgin o hindi? Bibirahan mo, pag hindi na virgin, wangwang na, patayin mo,